Good afternoon, friends. Now, today my next video is of in-vitro fertilization. First of all, we will discuss about what IVF is. It is a process of fertilization where egg is combined with sperm outside the body. In starting, we have collected embryo and sperm from the healthy female and male. In this condition, fusion is done and the zygote is formed. Then we culture it for a short period of time. There, after that embryo is formed, after the formation of embryo, the development is transferred to the uterus for the development of baby. We will talk about the causes of the infertility. Why infertility is caused? Infertility is caused due to the hormonal imbalance, blockage of the fallopian tubes, and the third one is due to the swelling. These all are the reasons that causes infertility. Now I will tell you about the steps of infertility. Steps of infertility, basically there are four steps. First is the collection of the oocyte, second is the collection of the sperm, third is the in vitro fertilization, and the fourth one is embryo transfer. These all are the steps of IVF. Now I will tell you about the first step of collection of oocyte. In this, basically we have to harvest the egg. Now the question arises, how to harvest an egg. First of all, the ultrasound probe is inserted into the vagina so that we can view the ovary. After that, viewing the ovary, the doctor sees the follicles inside the ovary, how many follicles are present. What is follicle? Follicle is a fluid filled with sac which contains egg. After that, doctor inserts a long thin needle inside the ovary along with the suction device so that eggs can be retrieved from the ovaries. Now we will talk about the second step, collection of the sperm. In this step, sperm is being collected before 60 to 90 minutes of fertilization. Then pellet of sperm is formed, and the pellet which is formed is suspended into the culture media and then incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After that, sample of sperm is taken from the media for fertilization. In this second step, now we will talk about next step, that is IVF. In this, male and female gametes are being fused. In this, fertilization is performed through insemination and microinjection. What insemination is? Insemination is a sperm are mixed with egg so that fusion can occur. And microinjection refers to egg is directly fertilized with the sperm. After fusion, zygote is formed and then embryo is formed. Our next step is embryo transfer. How it is transferred? In this, embryo is being transferred 3 to 5 days after fertilization. After fertilization, how embryo is transferred? In this, speculum is inserted into the woman's vagina that watch cervix. Syringe is being loaded with a large number of embryos. After that, embryologist put catheter into the vagina through the cervix into the uterus. Catheter is a device. After that, when catheter is inserted into the vagina, then embryo is being depleted into the uterus. After that, this embryo attaches with uterus wall, and after that further development occurs, means formation of the fetus. These steps were of IVF.
This is the structure of the Greffin follicle.
Now I will show you diagrammatically what happens in the IVF. Collection of the egg is being done. These are the eggs which are being retrieved from the woman. So, and these are the sperm. Collection of egg and the collection of sperm. After that, when eggs are being collected, the eggs are put into the media. This is a petri dish. And the eggs are being put into the media. The media which is used is the flushing media. After that, in this media, we do insemination. Insemination means the sperms are being put in near the eggs. The eggs are being put in media, and the sperms are being closed for the fusion. Now this the fusion is done. When fusion is done, then zygote is formed. After this, the zygote is formed into embryo. After the formation of the zygote, embryo is formed, and then embryo is being liberated into the uterus, which develop into baby. Thank you. And next video will be of oocyte retrieval, how oocytes are being retrieved, and what's ovarian stimulations are being given, and what is the process of ovarian stimulation, how they are given, and what are the benefits of ovarian stimulation. Thank you.